Hi, I'm Steve from Two Cat Media. Welcome to my channel. Today we're at this park, Abbey Street Park in Dudley in the West Midlands. We're going to be flying the RYZE TELLO drone and testing the battery life to see if we can get anywhere near the 12 or 13 minutes that it specifies for the flight time. I've got around 9-10 minutes before, but I want to see on camera just how much we can do and get a little bit of footage maybe at the same time in the 720p. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so let's test out the RYZE TELLO drone. I've set it up. We're on about 93% by the time it's all been connected. So let's take off. So as you can see there, 8 minutes and 40 seconds. Perfect. Okay, so as you can see, 8 minutes 42 seconds on the first battery, a little bit of sports mode, a little bit of cinematic mode. I haven't even viewed the footage yet, so I don't know how good or bad it's going to be. It should be in 720p. I have done this video before and I didn't record the footage for some reason. I had a whole week of just not recording things. Obviously my memory's going old as I get older. old. Does it get older? It's getting old, definitely getting old, but it's getting more selective, I think, with certain things. But today we managed to do it. So let's get the second battery in. Let's see if we can try and beat, we'll keep it in video mode all the while, and let's see if we can beat the 8 minutes and 42 seconds. Okay, so we're on. We've only got 91% of battery for some reason by the time it's set up. They don't tend to keep the full 100% I fill, but let's see what we can do. Let's take off before we waste any more battery. There you go. Let's have a bit of fun. Let's see what we can do. See you in a while. Okay, so the RYZE TELLO drone powered by DJI. It's been a great little drone today. I've got to be honest, I've actually really enjoyed flying it. Almost 9 minutes for each battery. Not bad. I have got around 10 minutes or a touch over 10 minutes indoors. How long have you got out of your battery? Tell me below. Please like, please subscribe to the channel and help me out. It is growing really, really slowly, but you know what? I'm enjoying making the videos for you guys, and there's plenty more to come. I've been Steve from 2Cat Media. This is RYZE TELLO drone powered by DJI. See you soon.